Installing the Tino walk-in shower wall. Before you start installing the rail profile and the bridging frame, we must first decide how far the shower wall should be from the wall. The bridging frame can be maximum 100 centimeters long, but it could be cut to any size less than that. Mark the mounting points for the rail profile. It is very important that the rail profiles are completely vertical. Make the mounting holes. For proper insulation, it is important to run the back of the rail profile with sealer or adhesive before attaching them to the wall. Secure the rail profile. Insert the shower wall. Pre-drill, then secure the shower wall. Install the bridging frame. You could cut the bridging frame to size. The bridging frame is attached to the wall and then to the shower wall. Finally, make the necessary sealing with silicone.